Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna make a really quick video for some really easy procedure in the car, which is change the air filter which is allocated in this housing. This is the cover. To do this we just need to lose these two clips, two metallic clips, and then lift the cover, and pretty much that's gonna give us access to the air filter. So I lose the first clip, the second one I'm gonna lift, and once I lift this, I'm gonna push towards the front of the car a little bit, and it's coming out. The air filter is exposed now. As we can see, it's really dirty. We're gonna replace this, and I have here my air filter. New element. So now, okay, now what I'm going to do is clean a little bit the inner housing, the lower part. Most likely in your car you're gonna be able to see dust, probably animals, insects and stuff. Let's try to keep this clean. Once it's clean, we place in position the new filter like this. There are two tabs, one here and the second is here. Those needs to fit in two slots at the bottom of the housing in the lower part. Just be sure that both fit there well. Okay, then we place back the first clip, the second clip, and we're done. Again, this is really quick and simple to do. It's part of the tune-up of this engine, and that's why I think it's good to know how to do this, even if it's easy. I hope you like the video, and if it's useful, I'll appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to this channel.